Going to, what are we going to do, Aruni?
Nassau Downtown.
Today we are going to see Nassau Downtown and we will try to cover most of the things. We are pretty late for that, I feel. We should have come out a little earlier, but let's go and check what all things we can cover. Alright, let's go. Check. It's looking very calm today, no? Otherwise, this place is full of people. But today, because maybe it's a weekday, it doesn't look that crowded. Good for me, good for us. That's McDonald's and we parked our car over there because here there is no public parking around. Starting from here, we are going to walk all the way that side. You can see that's British Colonial Hilton. It was opened in 1924 and right now it's permanently closed. That's what Google says. Because of the COVID, it didn't get much of business. It used to be a Nassau fort over here to fight the pirates. We are gonna go inside over there and walk a bit. So we crossed the road, we came inside this way. Here they have BTC Financial Center. It's Pirates of Nassau and for adults it's like $14 and for children's it's like $6 to $7. If you are a museum person, you would like to see some pirate stories from Bahamas, you go and visit this place. We walked straight ahead from Pirates of Nassau and we came across this church. It's Christ Church Cathedral. The church was closed and we are going straight to the Bay Street now. You can check out some old buildings here. Bay Street we have entered. So that's the British Colonial Hotel and that's the way to come inside Bay Street. The whole street is Bay Street and it will go a very long way ahead and you are going to find some of the restaurants and diamond shops, souvenir shops, clothing shops, a lot of many more shops over here, and you will also find some small restaurants like that. Like it. Oh no, he went inside. So the colorful building over there is Straw Market. Aruni went inside to check some watch and then let's go check out some more alleys over here. I just want to see what kind of shops they have, and these buildings, it looks really old. I mean, not the old, but it's like an old design, like a British colonial design, you know. And now we are going to Straw Market. Aruni, thank God, didn't buy those expensive watches. Eventually he will though. But yeah, they have some nice collections. If you guys want to check out these kind of watches, you can. Let's go inside the Straw Market and see, oh, what is it exactly? So, Straw Market is one of the famous things to do in Nassau when you come here. You are coming via cruise, or you are coming via plane, or you are expat who are living here. You can come here and see this place. It opens in the morning until the evening 6 p.m. I think. And it's a vibrant market full of local sellers. They're artists, they make bags, they make dolls, they make a lot of things. How much is that one for? 25. 25?
One's 30, get it 25. I'll fix it back. Yeah, I'll put it back. You can give it to me, I'll put it back.
And I'm going to post another video of Straw Market, because people brag about this place. You want to buy something local, you come here. You want to see them doing how they are making it, you come here. And it is pretty nice to see them making things for you, and then you can buy it. It's not cheap, let me tell you, but of course you can bargain. I did bargain. I bought a doll, a Bohemian doll. And we also bought some fridge magnets over here. One of the nice experience. Looks like Jitney Junction. Buses are called Jitney in Nassau. For adults, it's $2. For kids, it's a bit lower than that. The best part about these buses are they have places written in front and their back, so you will definitely know that where you are going. Oh, so we have reached Parliament Square. So this is Parliament Square, pink building. These are now government buildings. A statue of Queen Victoria stands right in the center of the Parliament Square and was constructed in 1815. During the Christmas, they put a huge Christmas tree over there, and there was a very nice decoration all around this Parliament Square. Right opposite to the Parliament Square, you are going to see Prince George Wharf Cruise Terminal. We are going straight, and here also in between you can see some of the souvenir shops. Place is this? This place is nothing but it's again Bay Street. It's the backside of the Bay Street. So when you are coming from the cruise, you are going to see this part of the Bay Street first, and then the other side where we were before. It looks much more fun than that side, because I don't know, it's looking like a completely different place. It has bars and restaurants more this side, and they all all look amazing. They all look nice. And again, there's souvenirs and clothes and all Bahamian kind of shops over here. Very beautiful, very happening kind of environment. Why these stores are giving.
Hi, Joe. I'm not gonna find you. Let me tell you a secret. Come here. I'm gonna find you. Come here.
This is Pompey Square, and this place tells a story of a slave Pompey who revolted slave selling because slaves were brought on this site and they were sold over here. So we had a small lunch and we didn't go to the most famous Senora Frog place. We went to Luca Bar, which was more scenic for us and was more peaceful. Though Senora Frog is also amazing place. It has a different vibes. It has a nice decor, which is very which is very attractive. The circle is full of hotels around. There's Holiday Inn on the other side, and the Pointe, the Margaretaville, and close to the Margaretaville, there is another beach is called Junkanoo Beach. We are going to park our car somewhere and go to check out this beach. This is Western Esplanade. We kept our car here and what is that? Junkanoo Beach. And we are going to check out the beach. So basically, every day this place is full of people. But today there was no carnival cruise, so that's why this place is so dull. I mean, it's not dull yet. It's you don't see many people around, and when there's a cruise, this place is full of people and it's a lot more fun. I think you should enjoy both. If you have more days, then you can come here and have some peaceful time when there's no cruise, and some days when there's cruise, you can see the atmosphere is totally different and much more vibrant than right now.
Yeah.
no beach. Cheers. Oh no, it's good. Thank you, thank you. Yeah,
Throw it away. I don't want to throw it away. It's yours.
That's why I took the small one. I'm probably not gonna finish it. You should take it. You should take it. You should take a sip.
Arnie, go for it. Take a sip. Yum.
Strong yum.
Strong yum.
Strong and yum.
And after that, we went to Western Esplanade, a very beautiful place. You can walk over here, just spend an evening watching sunset or something, I guess. This place looks very peaceful, and it goes pretty long way, it goes until Arawa Key, which I'm going to show you on my next video. Otherwise, this place is very nice. That's it for the day. We finished Nassau Downtown, and it's all close by, so you can do it in one day or half a day if you are coming from the cruise, or just for half a day you want to do something walking and also with the beach and some restaurants. Thank you, and have some coconut. So that's it for today, guys. In the next video, I'm going to continue this things to do in Nassau for one day or half a day. We have to go and pick up our son from the school. We are leaving, but if you have time, you can still do some more things over here. Have a great time, you guys. Take care of yourself, and please subscribe to my videos so that more videos are coming from Nassau, Bahamas. You should not miss on those, because those are also going to be fun. Take care.